Hello, everybody. I'm very happy to do this poster presentation here. And my name is Zina Shen, and my advisor is Sarah Powell. So I'm from the Division of Learning Disability and Behavior Disorders in the University of Texas at Austin. And here I attached my phone number and email address. So if you have any questions for my topic or for my poster, please reach out to me and I can address your questions or confusions. So I'm gonna start from my first part, my introduction. So it was reported that students with mathematics learning disabilities have incomplete knowledge of basic facts. And the proficiency in the basic facts is a necessary prerequisite skills for the complex task in a higher level study. And it's also important to facilitate students' conceptual understanding. So based on some studies, the manipulative device or drawing can help students to understand the conceptual understanding in a deeper level. And also based on some other researchers, the manipulative-based interventions has proved to improve students' addition or subtraction abilities, especially for students with mathematical learning disabilities. So my systematic review, I'm going to investigate the effect of manipulative-based interventions on addition and subtraction for students with mathematical difficulties. So I have three research questions here. The first one is, how effective is manipulative-based intervention for improving addition and subtraction for students with mathematical difficulties? And my second research question is, which type of manipulatives is more effective? The concrete manipulatives, virtual manipulatives, or the concrete representational abstract sequence, or we call it CRA sequence. The third research question is, what moderators may potentially affect the intervention effectiveness? For example, grade level, is it a potential moderator? So for my method, I adopted the Prisma statement to lead my search process. And to begin, I conducted a keyword search from for electronic database. And after that, I did the title and abstract screening with Ryan, and I got 78 articles. Then I did a full text screening, and after that, I conducted a table of contents search. And in the end, I did a forward and backward ancestral search and got 2 more articles. So overall, I got 11 articles and I did the synthesis based on the 11 articles. And I did the data coding based on students' the manipulative types, students' grade level, some independent variables, dependent variables, study design, and also the effect size and the results. So the analysis regarding comparison of concrete manipulatives, virtual manipulatives, and CRA sequence was also conducted based on the magnitude of the effect size. And also the grade level, potential moderator of grade level was also analyzed. So my the coding sheet is very long, so I didn't have a chance. I didn't present here, but this table I'm giving some studies authors' names and also giving some type of manipulatives, the grade level moderator, and also the effect size. So based on my analysis, I have found that 7 out of 11 studies showed high effect, but 1 out of 11 studies showed a moderate effect. And also 3 out of 11 studies did not provide effect size, or effect size cannot be calculated based on their data. However, student there, the students' addition or subtraction skills were significantly improved after intervention, even though they didn't provide the effect size. Okay, my conclusion. So based on my synthesis, I found that the manipulatives can effectively improve addition and subtraction performance for students with mathematical difficulties. Based on the effect size I just presented. But it's inconclusive to say which manipulative-based instruction is more effective, since 64% of studies focused on the CRA intervention. So we may need more studies to figure out this, the second conclusion. And the third one is grade level may moderate the effectiveness of manipulative-based intervention, but since most of my studies, 9 out of 11 studies, they focused on elementary grade level. So we need more studies on the secondary grade level to give this conclusion. So for the future implication, more studies are needed to investigate if the grade level is a moderator for the outcomes of different manipulative-based interventions. And future research should also conduct more group design studies, because based on my coding, I have found that only 3 out of 11 studies, they used the group design study. But in order to generate to the large group, we do need more group design studies. The third thing is, it suggested that elementary school teachers may incorporate the CRA sequence as their intervention into their instruction when they teach students addition and subtraction. Because based on this synthesis, most of the studies, they did the CRA sequence intervention and they got the large effect size. Okay, so I think that's it for my poster, and I will stop here. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will be very happy to discuss with you. Thank you so much.